Innovation and entrepreneurship have shaped the progress of human civilization throughout history. Yet, despite their importance, they are fields that have often been left to the forces of chance and instinct. The lean startup methodology, introduced by Eric Ries in his book The Lean Startup, offers a structured approach that aims to put entrepreneurship and innovation on a rigorous scientific footing. It seeks to eliminate wastage, expedite market delivery, and ensure product market fit, which is crucial for the success of any startup. The lean startup methodology is a product of the 21st century, evolving from the crucible of the tech boom and the dot com bust. Its roots lie in the lean manufacturing principles that were pioneered by Japanese corporations, especially Toyota, post World War II. These principles focused on eliminating waste in the manufacturing process, improving quality, and reducing lead times. Steve Blank, a Silicon Valley entrepreneur and academic, was instrumental in adapting these concepts to the startup environment. His customer development model, outlined in the book The Four Steps to the Epiphany, recommended that startups focus not just on product development, but also understand customer needs and market conditions. Blank's student, Eric Ries, took this concept further, integrating it with principles from agile software development to formulate what is now known as the lean startup methodology. The lean startup methodology revolves around several key concepts. Entrepreneurship is management. This concept argues that a startup is an institution that requires a new form of management. A startup is not merely a smaller version of a large company, but a distinct entity with its unique set of challenges and conditions. Validated learning. This principle promotes learning through iterative product releases. It advocates the development of a minimum viable product, MVP, an initial version of a product with just enough features to satisfy early customers and provide feedback for future product development. Build, measure, learn. This loop is the crux of the lean startup methodology. Companies should turn ideas into products, measure how customers respond, learn whether to pivot or persevere, and then start the process all over again. Innovation accounting, this concept focuses on measuring progress, setting up milestones, and prioritizing work. It provides a way of evaluating the success of a startup in the face of extreme uncertainty. Pivot or persevere. Based on the feedback loop and innovation accounting, entrepreneurs need to decide whether to pivot, make a fundamental change to the product, strategy, or business model, or persevere, continue with the current plan. Eric Ries's book, The Lean Startup, provides a comprehensive introduction to these concepts and how they can be applied. Released in 2011, the book has since gained worldwide popularity, reshaping the way businesses are launched and managed. The book opens by challenging traditional business thinking, proposing that startups are not just smaller versions of large companies and thus cannot be managed the same way. It then delves into the principles of the lean startup, discussing each in detail and demonstrating their importance through case studies. The book highlights that the goal of a startup is to figure out the right thing to build, the thing customers want and will pay for, as quickly as possible. From developing MVPs and iterating product development based on customer feedback to making quick decisions on pivoting or persevering, the book guides entrepreneurs through the process of managing a startup. It also offers an overview of advanced topics like growth, crisis management, and innovation in established companies. The book concludes by emphasizing the broader implications of the lean startup methodology for innovation in society at large. In conclusion, the lean startup has revolutionized the way we think about entrepreneurship and innovation. By applying these principles, entrepreneurs can mitigate risk, reduce wastage, and drastically increase their chances of building a successful startup. Eric Ries's book, The Lean Startup, stands as a blueprint for this innovative methodology, making the journey of entrepreneurship more manageable and more successful.